Breaking the limits of traditional substations, Hyosung Heavy Industries presents a next-generation power solution. The essence of GIS technology inside a container. Our unrivaled compact design cuts footprint by over 80% compared to AIS, minimizing on-site civil works. From high-voltage GIS to control protection panels and HVAC systems, everything is fully factory integrated and delivered to the site. Container GIS, where Hyosung Heavy Industries' power expertise meets modular innovation. More than just moving equipment, it guarantees flawless performance in extreme conditions, from scorching deserts to corrosive coasts. Less on-site work means dramatically lower total lifecycle costs. With our exclusive Container GIS, Hyosung Heavy Industries connects the new flow of energy faster,